Hello, today I will be showing you how to pick a master lock, and it is no choice. It is locked. And what I've done is I've taken a paper clip, I've broken it in half, and I've made first tool, which is a pin pusher. Now it is very important that at the end of the bend right here, it should be about a millimeter bend inward, which will keep the pins from sliding back out into place. The whole thing overall that will go inside should be about an inch. This is your tension wrench. It is what will turn the lock, which will unlock the system. Here we go. Now on every single lock, there is a flat spot that is not curved. If you look closely, you can see the pins. What you will do is you will take the pin pusher, slide it into place. Once this is done, take the tension wrench and put it in the other side and turn clockwise. And there you go. You just picked the master lock.